Hi, my name is Kai and today I'm going to show you how to create special length on site within a modular pipework system by using push-in pipes from Jacob. You need our push-in pipes, which we have as a standard in different length in our catalog, our ring seals, which we have available in different materials, and you need our quick connect or two-parted pull ring. Here I have already pre-assembled our ring seal, and it's recommended to adjust the ring seal approximately to the special length that you want to achieve. And you need to be aware that you need to push in the pipe minimum 50 millimeters into the straight pipe. And so you can adjust the push-in pipe by using 1/2 of the two-parted pull ring. After you've done that, you can take the other half of the two-parted pull ring and then you can fix the screws. What is very important when tightening the screws is that you tighten them alternately. After you've done that, you have created a very stable connection, but you need to be aware that you can use push-in pipes up to a maximum of a differential pressure of up to 100 millibar, and the connection is also not shock explosion proof, and furthermore it's not a telescopic pipe, which means you cannot push the pipe up and down during the production process. But far away from that, it's a very easy solution to create a special length for you on site.